Stop by and take a look at the 2021 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, starter type, starter belt alternator, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front, passenger seat cushion, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.